So this time is like our summer vacation, and our school has organized a cooking session on Zoom. So like now we're just ready for it. Look, we're wearing this net to cover our head so hair doesn't fall, and we are wearing our aprons. We are really excited. And can you guess what we're making today? We are making smart cookies. I'm so excited. I want to eat already when I just say that word. Are you excited? Yep. Oh, I'm just waiting until teacher comes online. Okay. Just can't wait. To make smart cookies, we need all-purpose flour, corn flour, salt, baking soda, melted butter, brown sugar, white sugar, eggs, vanilla essence, Smarties, dark chocolate chunks or chocolate chips. Check the description box below to find the list of ingredients you need and equipment to make Smarties cookie bars. First, into a bowl, add the white sugar and the brown sugar. Mix them together firmly. Then, add the melted butter into the bowl. Use the hand beater to mix the butter and the sugar together. At least mix it for 5 minutes to get the mixture well. Add the 2 eggs to the batter, use the spatula to mix, and then again use the hand beater to mix well. After the eggs, add the vanilla essence to the batter and mix again using the hand beater. To the flour, add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and then sieve it to another bowl. After sieving the flour, and add the salt to the flour. Then mix it with a wooden spoon and put it into the batter, and then mix well with the hand beater. Keep away a handful of Smarties to another plate and add the rest of Smarties to the butter mixture. Mix the Smarties to the butter mixture, but do not use the hand beater, use the spatula. Now it's my favorite part. We are going to add the chocolates to the butter mixture. We should use the spatula to mix it. We have to properly mix the butter mixture with the spatula so that the Smarties and chocolates mix well throughout the mixture. Now we have to on the oven for preheat. This will take about 10 minutes. Meanwhile, grease the baking tray with butter and flour. Then add the batter to the tray and properly level it using the spatula. After that, take the Smarties we left and place them on the level batter. Now we are going to bake it. We are going to put it into the preheated oven around for 30 minutes. Look guys, the smart cookies are in the oven now. So it is already have been 15 minutes. Look, can you see? It's rising up because it's baking. Wow. We have to keep it for 30 minutes. Now I'm going to check if it's baked. I'm going to use a toothpick. I'm going to poke it in, and if things come on the toothpick, that means it's not baked yet. But if it comes out clean, that means it is baked. It's still not baked. Let's keep it for a while. Now I'm going to check it for the third time. Okay, I'm going to take it out. It looks ready. It's ready! Yes, it's ready! It's ready! Yes. And take it out. Now I'm going to cut it. Look guys, they are ready to eat. These sweet, amazing looking cookies. Delicious. Believe me guys, the Smarties cookies bars were amazing. Me and my family enjoyed it a lot. Now, I want to take this opportunity to thank Vicharli International School for organizing this baking workshop. Please subscribe to my channel and watch more newly amazing videos like this. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell to get more newly videos like this and be the first one to watch it.